this is the demo for the week 8. Bubuksan ko lang yung USB web server natin. And then, of course, kailangan natin na buksan din yung application for the USB web server para makagawa tayo ng next step natin. Okay, after that, bubuksan ko rin yung root. Gagawa ako ngayon ng folder for the week 8. Just right click, then new. Okay, so click on the folder, then rename it into week 8. And then of course, lalagyan natin siya ng W3 CSS na file. So yung mga W3 CSS na file natin, nailagay na natin sa week 7 or kahit anong week na yan. Okay, so etong file na to, just copy, Ctrl C, and then pupunta ako sa week 8 para magkaroon lang ako ng W3 CSS file. And then ang susunod, okay, so pagkabukas ng ID bracket natin, makikita natin dito yung folder ng week 8. So ito yung folder natin ng week 8. Pag binuksan natin, nandiyan dyan yung file natin ng W3 CSS. Ito. So next na gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng file for the demo. Just right click, file, then demo.html. So right now, gagawa muna ako ng standard structure of the HTML. So yun, ito na yung standard structure ng HTML natin. And then, of course, again, kailangan natin ulit i-link itong W3 CSS dito sa head. So, ito na yung code for linking W3 CSS. So, lagyan lang natin ng title as a title natin sa demo. Okay. So, let's go now for the body. Gawin ko lang ng minimize ko ng konti para makita natin yung result kagad. Okay, so dito ko kasi lalagay yung browser natin. Okay, so ito yung browser natin, and then dito yung ID bracket natin. So para makita natin kagad yung mga result na gagawin natin for the week 8. This is a W3 CSS and the border. Okay, so una kong i-demo sa inyo ngayon isa yung code ng W3 border. So bali ito yun, i-demo ko sa inyo. Okay, so let's go back to our ID bracket. Una, gagawa muna ako ng responsive division natin. By the way, actually itong responsive division na ginagawa ko ngayon, this is not part of our demo for the W3CSS border. So, in case na nakalimutan nyo na yung responsive natin, you can go back to our previous topic regarding on the W3CSS responsive. And then also, gagawa ako ng the panel, W3-panel. Again, pag nakalimutan ninyo tungkol dito sa W3-panel, you can go back to your our previous topic. Okay, the W3CSS container and the panel. Okay, so maggagawa ako ngayon ng text. Let's say H2. Okay, this is the border. Okay, if I'm going to save that and then refresh, may lalabas dito ng caption of this is the border. So yun, yun na yung lumabas. This is the border, pero wala pa tayong code ng border. So lalagyan lang natin. Okay? So actually pwede mo ilagay yung border dito sa classification, but I rather to use the border doon lang sa text natin. So I'm going to use the border here on the class text h2 w3 border. Anyway, this is a demo. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya the other application of this border. And then if I'm going to save this, makikita natin, ayun, may border tayo dito. Okay, if you're going to notice, this is a default border, kulay gray. Kulay gray siya. And then complete border, the left, right, top, bottom. Okay. Next na border natin, next na i-demo ko na border is only the top, right, bottom, left. So, para makita natin. Go back to my ID bracket. Okay, for this time siguro pwede na akong gumamit ng dito mismo sa division na ito. So, lagyan muna natin ng caption. Okay, sa top muna tayo kung anong mangyayari if I'm going to use the W3-border-top or the code kung tama ba. Yeah, this is the W3-border-top. Okay, so lagyan lang natin W3-border-top. And then if I'm going to save that and then refresh my browser, dapat may this is border here and then may linya lang sa top niya. So yun. So hindi natin nakita kasi masyadong yung responsive natin kasi andito yung andito kasi yung first division ng responsive natin. So hindi natin nakita. If I'm going to use that on the H2 only, this one. I-delete ko muna. Okay, so ilalagay ko siya dito sa H2. And then save it again kung maayos na ba siya. Okay, so hindi pa rin because of the W3 dash panel. Kaya hindi natin nakikita. Save it again. Okay, and then refresh the browser. Kung makikita natin. So, yun. So, nasa top lang siya. Yun. Okay. Another for the left, right. Okay. Copy ko lang yan. And then, ang gagamitin ko next is the left. Border of the left. And then if I'm going to save, dapat may lalabas dito. Okay. Ayun. So, dito pala lumabas yun. Okay. So, ayun. Nasa left lang yung border niya. And about the right. Yung right naman. I'm going to save it. And then refresh the browser. Yung nasa right lang. Lumabas. Okay, if I'm going to change the color of the border, I'm going to copy this. Just copy it. And then I want the full border. The full border lang with color. Okay? So kung makikita ninyo kung paano lalagyan ng kulay, W3-border-color. So ganito lang po 'yon. First is we have to create the border. Okay, W3-border, and then kukulayan natin W3-border- kung anong kulay. So let's say red para kitang-kita. And then if I'm going to save it and then refresh the browser, kailangan may ayun, so lumabas na kagad. So meron na tayong border na kulay red. Okay, full border siya. Ang kulay naman niya is red. Okay, and then are we going to use the tick? Okay, ito yung mga tick na border natin. W3, bottom bar, left bar, right bar, top bar. So, try natin. Okay, so papalitan ko lang yung border. And then border, the code is left bar muna tayo. Or bottom bar. So instead of W3 border, we're going to use bottom bar. And then let's try to save it. Then refresh the browser. So yun ang lumabas. The thick border color red kasi hindi natin pala tinanggal yung red. If I'm going to use green dito, save it again, and then refresh the browser. So naging kulay green na siya. Okay, for the left, right, ganun. Halos pare-parehas lang naman po yan. Kung bubuin ko yung bottom bar, okay, this is yung makapal, and then bubuin ko yung buong border. So itatype ko naman lahat na yung left, right, bottom, and then top. Ganun. So W3 dash top bar, and then W3 dash left bar, and also the right bar, W3 dash right bar. So mabubuo yan, and then of course kulay green pa rin. If I'm going to save that and then refresh the browser, may lalabas dapat yan na isa pang border. So yun, so makapal lang yung border niya. Okay, so kinumpleto lang natin yung bottom, top, left, right, and green. So yan lang yung demo natin, and then we're going to have a sample activity.